Welcome to our channel. Ingredients: Masala, add spices in 1 cup yogurt. Black peppers 1 teaspoon. Zeera 1 teaspoon. Garam masala 1 teaspoon. Salt to taste. Mix it well. Add oil in hot pan. Add half kg chicken. Ginger garlic green chili 1 tablespoon all. Cook for 5 minutes. Cover for 2 minutes. Cook for 5 minutes. Share. Add yogurt. Cook for 5 minutes. Add green chili. Add half cup cream. Subscribe. Cover for 2 minutes. Garnishing. Ready to eat. Thanks for watching. Leave a comment below.